bags are everything. Put those over there. Oh my gosh, this one. I love this one. The nose name knows I love me a nice, good crossbody bag. These bags, look at this. They're so cheap. They have it in yellow. But I have my eye on that white one right there. That is so gorgeous. Right, so I'm shopping like in the junior section, which I don't fit much here, but look at this, $3.99. These are all $3.99. Oh, that says $30 originally, but $3.99. All of these pads are. This is crazy. You gotta come to Gabes. All of them, $3.99. Ridiculous. If they're like $4.99, $3.99. I'm getting some. I stock up on these all the time because look at how cheap they are. The Nivea is like really good. Their body wash, I recommend it 100%. Look, Dove, $2.79. This is crazy. Some more of the personal care and house stuff that they have. They have really good deals. They have furniture as well. I like those little tables over there with the white and the wood. Those are cute. Somebody was trying to hide these for another time. I need to clean my camera. This is cute. Somebody was dead ass trying to hide it. I can't look at that rubs right now. Yeah, I already had too much. This is nice. $8.99. I like it. Let's go to the bedding. I like these. It's so quiet here. It's like no one here. It's literally like almost 9 o'clock at night. And I decided to come shopping. I usually love this store, but the past couple times I've come, they haven't really had good stuff. So it's like they're definitely restocked. And look at my cart now. It's ridiculous. This is cute. It's $11. I need to narrow down my purchase because this is a little hefty cart here.
Hey guys, this is Brittany Giselle. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Make sure. All right, so this week I went to Gabe's, and I go there once in a while, but what like really prompted me to go was one of my friends did like a little mini haul on her Instagram channel. Her Instagram channel what? On her Instagram page. And I was like, hold up, sis, like you got some good deals. So let me take my ass on over to Gabe's and see what they have. And I found some really good stuff. So as far as clothing, I was like, look, I went late at night. Like it was empty. So I got to take my time looking around. Usually I don't like to look through racks just because there's a lot of people and I have to be at peace. I have to be like my mind needs to be mellow before I start looking through all those racks of clothes. So it was a good night. It was a good time for me to go. So the first thing I got was this sweater. It's long sleeve. It has like the back is a little bit longer than the front. And it's a hoodie. It's like a cashmere kind of feeling. But this sweater is originally from Ava and Viv, which is a Target brand. I got it in a 2X. It says comparable value 12, but I got it for $4.99, y'all. You can't beat a $4.99 price tag. You just can't. So I thought it was really cute. I like knitwear, but I like it to be like thin. I don't like really heavy things. So that was a steal. The next thing that I got, I don't know what brand this is because they kind of cut it out, but I got this green cardigan. And I really like the color. I love this like olive green. I plan on wearing it open. I try to put it on clothes. and it didn't fit your girl, but it's an extra large, so I'm definitely gonna wear it open, which I don't mind. I don't really like buttoning my cardigans anyways. And this one was $9.99. I can't talk today. Comparable value was $16. So yes, I really, really like this. This is cute. Did I say? Yeah, it was $9.99. I want to make sure I said it right. And then for the last sweater I got, it's this one here. I love this. It's a nice knit sweater. I got makeup on it when I tried it on. I can't stand that. So the brand is Maurice's, which is, they sell plus size clothing. And I think I've maybe been in Maurice's like once or twice in my whole life. And I don't think I ever purchased anything, but they do have good pieces. So yeah, it's like long sleeve. It's oversized. I love that it's oversized on me. This I got in a size extra, extra large. The comparable value is $39. I got it for $7.99. Like, come on now. This is super cute. I just pictured myself like throwing this on over a pair of leggings, you know, throw some booties on, some little sneakers, like just, y'all know I like my throw on stuff by now because I say it every time, every video. And then for my son, I picked him out. I saw this and I was like, hold up, this is a really, really, really good deal. So they had Champion outfits. So I got him these Champion joggers. They're just black, they're long. They are a size large. The comparable value is $20, but I got it for $9.99. So go to Gabe's, get you some Champion stuff. And then I got him the top to go with it. I got him the top in a medium because it looked kind of big. It's just a regular Champion sweater. It says it on the front and it has it on the sleeve. The comparable value is $30 and I got it for $12.99. So again, that's another good steal because all he wears is joggers. He doesn't do jeans. So any chance I get to buy him joggers at a reasonable price, I do it. All right, moving on to the home stuff. So this is a bathroom rug set. I got it for $8.99. $8.99, and it's 3 pieces. So for the toilet, for the sink or in front of the bathtub, and then a third one for the sink or the bathtub. Usually the bigger ones are for the bathtub, but the way my bathroom is set up, I might have to reverse it, put the bigger one at the sink and this one at the bathtub. Currently, because of the size and the way it's shaped, I've only always had one in there in front of the bathtub for when I get out. But when I seen this, I said for $8.99, I can make it happen, okay? They had different colors. They had it in gray. This matches my decor. I have a lot of, like my curtains are white and stuff, but I have like some pink canvases on the wall, so I figured that would go well with it. And then, what other home items did I get? All right, so I just broke the bag trying to pick it up, but look at this, y'all. Somebody was trying to play me. Somebody, whether a customer, an employee, I don't know. Somebody was trying to play me because I found this baby. So I was in the furniture section and I just so happened to pass by an ottoman. I'm like, oh, this ottoman is cute. I flipped it open and this baby is laying in there like this. And then there was another like little ottoman. It was like a little square one right next to it that fit perfectly inside of the bigger ottoman. I said, somebody's really trying to hide it, but I respect it because I've hidden stuff before if it was like the last one and I'm like, I'll come back on payday. This bad boy was only $19.99. And that is a steal. As you can tell, I have a lot of gray in my bedroom. So, and then I have gold. This was perfect for my room. I've been looking for an ottoman, but I haven't found one at a price that I liked and like the colors that I liked. So when I saw this, I'm like, this will give my room some dimension or something because everything's like square. Like I don't have anything round like this. So this is perfect. And it's a storage bin at the same time. I fell in love with it. I love it. So that's it for the home stuff. Now, you already saw this. You saw it in the clips. But, girl, these bags, I couldn't help myself, okay? So, the first one I'm going to show you is this one. This bag is so cute. It comes with the big pocket. I didn't even open it, to be honest. I just like the outside. It's cute. It's stripes. Stripes on the inside. It has a pocket. And then the back has a pocket as well. I love me a crossbody bag. So this is an adjustable crossbody bag. And this is the back. Just a pocket. Oh, wait, the one in the front is a real pocket too. Yes, Gabes. So this is from the brand Deluxe City, Los Angeles. I never heard of it. But the bag came out to be $12.99. Comparable value, $30. And I got it for $13. You can't tell me nothing, sis, okay? So I have a pair of booties that match this. I can't wait to wear. You know what? I'm tired of buying all this stuff and not having girls' night. Friends, we need to have girls' nights, girls' dates, brunches. Let's plan because I have outfits I have to get out there. Okay? Then I'm going to do this one because this one stole my heart. It really did. And it was like the perfect timing. So it's this little brown one. It has like the little snake print tassel there. It has a pocket in the back. Let me see. The pocket in the front. Oh, it has like that chain print right there. It's cute. And then you open it up. I haven't opened it yet, but I know it came with a strap. So it turns into a crossbody bag as well. I usually wear my bags crossbody. I'll hold it like this like real quick, but usually I use the crossbody part of it. This bag was $16.99 and it was original. Well, the comparable value is $34. So I fell in love with this bag because if you watched my Walmart haul, which if you haven't, head on over, sis. Go watch the Walmart haul, fall fashion. I styled some outfits. Go check it out. Walmart has a pair of booties that match this bag perfectly. And I'm not all about like matching everything. Like I don't have to, it doesn't have to be the same exact pattern, but with the animal prints, it's kind of like match your animal prints, right? So yes, I cannot wait to wear that those booties with this bag because this girl's gonna be cute. This bag is the first one that I saw when I walked in, and it is so cute. I know you guys saw it in the clips. So this has a pocket. The pocket is functional as well. And then I like the shape of it, the color, the texture. Like it's really, really cute. And then on the inside, yep, it has a zipper pocket and then just like an open pouch. Oh, look, this is so cute. I like that. Like the same texture that's on the outside is on that, like the little pouch. So yeah, this is from the brand Alyssa. $8.99 was what I paid for it, and it was the comparable value is $18. So $9, y'all. $9. I love it. It's so cute. The last few things I got, they weren't necessary, but I kind of needed them being that they were so cheap. Take it as you want, but I like to rack up on my stuff. I like to know that I have plenty of the items that I need, items that are never gonna, they are going to be used at some point. So anyways, body wash. They have plenty and plenty of good body wash. So Nivea, it came to $3.99. I'll see that. $3.99 Nivea. This is the cream care. So I got a bottle of that. And the Nivea, I've been finding them like $3.99 at Marshall's, TJ Maxx. I was surprised to see them at Gabe's, but they had it, and they had some Dove too. Then I got the Care and Roses, $3.99 again. They were all $3.99 actually. And I found this one. It smells really good. Goodbye Stress. And I'm like, oh, I'm using this one at nighttime. Yes, it smells so good. It smells. It's a lavender. Oh, Nivea. And then I found me a Dove. First of all, Nivea, you know, the price is comparable. But when you compare a bottle of Dove to $3.99 versus like $7, $8 at Walmart, Target, all them stores, like, and it's the big bottle, not the little one, you got yourself a steal, okay? And it's the gentle exfoliating one. So yes, $3.99. I love this one. This is like, I don't buy Dove that much, but when I do, it's the gentle exfoliating one. I do really like that one. And then I found this Nivea shower cream. I haven't used any of this yet, so I'm definitely going to use this today. It came to $1.99. Yep. I'm excited. And this smells really good too. It's Indulgent Moisture Coconut. I love me a coconut scent. And then they had Axe. They had a lot of different Axe for men, but obviously I got it for my son. I got him the Dark Temptation. It smelled pretty good. And that came to $1.99. $1.99, $2. How much are these? Like $4 or $5 at Walmart, Target? Thank you. And then the last two things that I got were hand sanitizers. So they were on sale for $1. The original prices were $3.99 like when they first, I guess, came out. But then they were at reduced price because they have like the red stickers to $1. So I got two of them. They don't smell the best. And like I said in one of my vlogs, these new hand sanitizers smell like shit. I know all of you guys know that. I hate the smell, but these didn't smell that bad. So I was like, oh, let me just get two because I've been racking up as I find things. So that's the end of my haul. I feel like I got more, but that was it. I mean, I got enough. I got a lot of body wash. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 body washes and then the cream. So it's technically kind of like 5. But yeah, I had a good time going and just taking my time and browsing because I don't ever go to stores like that and really browse like Ross and Gabe's. I have to kind of be going there purposely looking for something. So yes, that's the end of my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. Make sure you comment this video and let me know what your favorite part of the video was because I have a lot of favorite items, but I want to know what yours is. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.